How to use Instagram as a complete beginner. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys quick and basic guides on how you can easily start using Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you are logged in. Let's start from the bottom. Here you will find your navigation bar where you have your home page, your explore page, your new page, and then your reels, and then your profile. So these are all of the main things that you need to know. So here on the home page, you'll find different posts and videos from the accounts that you follow. And then on the explore page, you'll find your interests. And on the plus icon, you will be able to add your new photos, videos, or stories. Here is the reel section, the short form video section, and then your profile. So if you want to add to your story, then what you can do is head over to your homepage, tap on this plus icon, and you can select any image or video from your story on your gallery, and then you can post it. And then from here, if you head over to your profile and then tap on edit profile, you have an option to edit your bio, add links and banners to your profile, and switch it to professional account. So these are all of the basic things that you need to know to operate Instagram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.